So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today again Birla Tire share also respected the levels which I have discussed in our previous videos. I almost made 3 to 4 videos on Birla Tires. In my first video I discussed all the technicals. Second video I've updated all the company details. Also I've discussed about the shareholding pattern as well. And again in the third video also I discussed the complete technicals as well as the what you can say next possible levels. And you can I told you about the concept also of a gap filling. So this stock when I told that when this stock will start moving up and again it will start covering the gap and it will take support at one particular level. So that level also I've discussed, that is the 22 level. So today exactly it has obeyed the 22 level and it has given a good movement. I'll play that video also so that we'll have extra clarity on what I said. Okay, now let's see the technical chart and then we'll focus the next possible levels of a Birla Tire. Okay, today even Alok was also open. I have mentioned that as well in the Telegram section. Okay, people who have regularly following me, they know all the levels. Okay, so these were the levels which I first discussed on Birla Tires. One first video when I made on Birla Tires, when it started hitting the LC, I told to focus on these levels. I also told that money flow index is now in correction, so stay patient. So once when it comes to the oversold region, and then focus on these two levels, that is 31 as well as 21.32. Okay, so today you can see the importance of this level where it has bounced. So this is almost so many weeks back. Now let's see the current updated chart of this. So this video also I'll pin in the description so that you can see that as well. Okay, if you see the current chart, today, you can see the same levels. Almost you can see a reversal from this particular region, which is the same level which I discussed in all my videos. I stressed on all these levels because the amount of returns that it has given, you will be shocked. You know how much Birla Tyres return share has given returns. Almost 1400% returns were given by this share, and later it started correcting heavily. So that's why I told always focus on dips and invest in small quantity. And also discussed about LIC also have brought the stake. So many people were telling that it will be continuously, it will go to penny again. So I told nothing will happen like that. Only the results were not declared by the company. That's only the negative thing, but operators play the game. So we are not to decide anything, just we need to see the levels where operators also focus. So that was the main intention of sharing these levels. And you also see money flow index also almost reached the oversold region. Okay, let me play my previous video. This is the previous video which I have made on Birla Tire. So I told what the levels are of Birla Tire. So watch this one small clip. Okay, I told you so many penny stocks, when they have a gap up or gap down opening, this they try to fill that gap and then they take a support at the lowest point and then they start retracing. See, in my previous videos I discussed your Brightcom group. How many people have watched and added? So also mention in the comment section. You can see exact it has moved up, it has covered the gap, it has taken the support again, now continuous. So okay, that was what I wanted to discuss about the gap filling process that the Birla Tire share has done. So we know that almost Alok Industries as well as Birla Tires, so both of these two shares, when they both of them at a time have given the lower circuit. Again now today both of them have given a upper circuit. So this is the basic pattern followed by the operators as well. Okay, if you see the basic overview of Birla Tires, you can see current market cap is around 354.31 crore, and you can see percentage deliveries are almost 100%. So whenever you learn anything about any stock, you need to learn the logic also behind it. Okay, whenever any stock is going upward and again when it's filling the gap, there should be a particular reason. Okay, operators always try to play game, but we should not sell any of our holdings. So that's what I was telling. You need to add at each and every support that I have discussed. Okay, and also I discussed about the updated shareholding also of Birla Tires, where pledging was not there. Okay, only I told that debt only is present on this company, which is a major drawback as well as quarterly results. And I've discussed all the levels. So today It's a very good day for Birla Tires as well as Alok Industries. And people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel so that they will not miss any regular updates. So until then, take care. Bye bye.